Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi offers checking and savings accounts. Yes, SoFi does offer checking and savings accounts. In fact, they offer a combined SoFi checking and savings account. This is a single account that serves both purposes, with different interest rates for the checking and savings balances. A key feature of this account is that it comes with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees if you have direct deposit set up. SoFi also offers a high annual percentage yield, or APY, on your savings balance, especially when you set up direct deposit. Your checking balance also earns interest, though at a lower rate. Additional benefits include early access to your paycheck with direct deposit, a large network of fee-free ATMs, and features like vaults, which are sub-accounts you can use to set and track specific savings goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.